The go-to dinner in my house is free-range chicken breast marinated in lemon, rosemary, garlic and olive oil. And if you don't want to get home from work and start escaloping your chicken and marinating it, you can buy our ready-made version. So I'm just going to quickly pan fry it. So I'm just making a very quick tomato salsa to go with the chicken. And of course some basil. So just plating up a couple of handfuls of lovely pocket. Top that with the chicken. And then our beautiful tomato salsa. Super healthy. It's such a simple dinner.